Hi everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got myself a 12-inch round on my Lazy Susan here. The base color I have is called Majesty. And you know what? I threw the bottle away. I think it was Artist Loft, but it could have been... No, it was Artist Loft. I have majority of Artist Loft in my tube paints, so I'm pretty sure that's it. It's called Majesty anyways. That's my base. I'm going to try and do just my imagination running wild. This Leaky Cup that Greg made me is in a hexagon shape. I did kind of a flower pour last time, used some plastic and pulled it up. Turned out quite pretty. I don't even have it close by to me to even show you the dried results. Sorry about that. I usually do a show and tell and I totally forgot to grab the painting. Alright. I can show you something else if you want. How about the last one I just did? I'm not one for minimal paintings, but this one, I really like how it turned out. Love this minimalist. It's my very first one, and I think I'll be keeping that one because I just love how it turned out. Okay, this one's definitely not going to be a minimal one. So in my imagination, I am picturing a leaky cup with a spin. And I think I'm going to spin it with every single color and see what happens. You never know, right? Hit subscribe. It's always interesting around here. If you're new to my channel, thank you, welcome everyone, and all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys, means the world to me. Greg's going to hit some music, and let's just get some painting. I have got a couple of Arteza colors, they're pre-mixed from a previous video, so I'm just using up some paints. I hope you enjoy, everyone. Thanks.
3,000 miles from home, trying to say that I will get there soon. 30 days I walk down this way, singing my madness to the moon. I met a cat on a tree, and it talked to me about things we don't see. I asked it, how do I know which is the right way to go to get me home? And it said, don't look for a reason, don't look for another way, 'cause anyway we'll get you home. You can't get lost if you don't know where you go, and anyway we'll get you home. Is the right way, they say, if you just go your way. No, you
I'll take my chances. I believe in dancing. When the times get hard, I ain't afraid to work. I watch the sunrise like it's the last time I might ever get to see her smile. Well, I'll never know why I was born to go, but maybe I don't need to understand it. I take my chances. I watch love die, and I let love hurt. I've been the man with the gun and the innocent one on the run. I pulled the trigger on the safest bet. I looked the devil in the eye, smelled the whiskey on his breath. Well, I'll never know why I was born to go, but maybe I don't need to understand it. I take my chances. Why I was born to go, but maybe I don't need to understand it. I take my chances.
I could fight like a wounded soldier and allow the war to rage. I could work like a slave, enduring every day, although master wills no change. I could take a knife and cut ties and leave you without a clue. But I knew when I saw your green eyes like a mine, we could only fade to blue. No fighting now, tie on down and light the spoon. Love, be a friend, stick a needle in, feel it flowing through, fade to blue. By a trick of man,